Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Dynamically, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a navigation bar just like this. Alright, so this was done in MDB Bootstrap. It is dynamic and it is on mobile. It also accepts sections and links. So we can go to another page or go to a section in a page, for example. I just don't have the sections themselves right now. That is it. So let's get to it, alright? Alright, so I'm just gonna take this code back to this file over here, keep it there. Alright, so all you need to do is just import React from React. Then we are just gonna import these. I'm just gonna copy and paste those from here, from the MDB React UI kit. Alright, afterwards, we just need to do a arrow function. That is gonna be RFCE. You can also do that. Const nav equals to arrow function, and then just the return statement, and we could just do an empty fragment for now. All right, so that is an arrow function. We are also going to be doing something called a useState, like this example over here, and this is just done to basically just show the navigation bar and also hold the state for the nav itself. So basically what we just did over here. All right, let me just do this in the code, and we're just going to import useState from React. All right, I'm going to explain this. All right, so basically what this is just the show navigation bar is just basically another constant that's going to hold the value for false. All right, and basically we just wanted to, when we click on it, we wanted to change it to true. And that is the logic that I have written over here. So basically set show nav, and just I did, instead of false, not false, so that would be true. So that is pretty much it. All right. All right, afterwards, so let's get just back here. Afterwards, you are just gonna do the MDB navigation bar, the GUI. So if I just go into the references over here and I show you the MDB examples, if you are you just need some more examples you could use over here. So here it is, the documentation, and we are going to be dynamically getting the links for the navigation bar, right? So for now, we need to do just one last thing. We just need to export the arrow function itself. All right, so right now we don't have anything in it. We could just return a paragraph that says nav just to make sure it's there. Yeah, here it is. And let's get to it. All right, so first of all, we just need to do an MDB container, and that is going to be fluid. All right, just like in here, right? And inside there, you can also do an MDB NavBar, and inside there we're going to copy the container, add it there. Then we're going to add the MDB NavBar brand. All right, inside there we're going to add in an MDB link, NavBar link, and that is going to take the class name of basically link info. And if you want to check what that is, basically that is just the colors for MDB Bootstrap. So as you can see, let's just give this link an href, which is an HTML attribute that just adds in the location for the link. So here it is. It's an HTML attribute, but over here it's used as a property in JavaScript. Okay. So here is the first link. And also, if you want to get the dark navigation bar, all you just need to do is class name, dark, and you're done. Afterwards, after the link, we also want to add in the icon that is over here. All right, and we're gonna give the toggler on the icon. Okay, so this is gonna basically be responsible for getting the menu, for opening the menu. I'm sorry, and on click that. Okay, we wanna set show nav. All right, yo, I just need it to be an arrow function and to set show nav. All right, and in that set show nav, we want it to be not false, like I said, so we could open up the navigation bar. So let's just do that. But one last thing, we just need to add in the MDB icon. And also, if you want to check out the React MDB icons, you could just search for that, and I'll also add the references over here. Here they are. You could just search whatever icon you need, like quirk, for example, whatever. Okay, so I actually forgot the name of the icon, so I think it's dumbbell, but just let me dumbbell, all right? And then you could just copy the icon and just put it over here. Okay, go back here, and also we can give it the class name of text info, for example. So that is just gonna make it blue like the other one. A margin XF2, for example, just gonna make it a little bit closer, or a margin YF2, but that's gonna make it, yeah, back at its place anyway. Okay, right now we have the toggler, we have anything, but we do not have the content that's gonna be collapsible. So let's actually think about it for a second. We want a dynamic navigation bar that is gonna basically have some links and some sections, all right? So that is possible, but we need to do just some, like a couple of simple steps that are going to be pretty easy. All right. So first off, we just need to assign the navigation links we want, and that is just going to be an array that holds a number of strings. Okay. And first link is going to be home. Second link is going to be about. And about is going to be a section. We are also going to add in, let's check out the pages. All right, classes, membership, and then contact. Okay, so to display these links dynamically, all we need to do is just open up a parentheses. We're gonna get that const we just defined, and we're gonna do a map method, which is basically gonna hold the array, and we're gonna map in a link and then the index. And this is just the normal syntax. And then we are just gonna return an empty fragment, and between that empty fragment we could return whatever we want. So let's just return the link for now, and actually let's give it an MDB NavBar link. Okay, give it an href of also the link, and the key is going to be link plus the index, just to be unique, and link dot replace. All right. Replace is basically just another method that it's going to be replacing the string of the section. So when we display the link itself, we don't want the section to have that hashtag for the user. Okay, let me just see what I mean. The about itself does not show the hashtag over here because it is a section that is going to be at the home page. Okay, and let's just okay, also home was a section actually, so let's do that. Yep, and this is supposed to be a link as well, so let's also add to this a link. Okay, so all right, actually no, keep it as it is right now, and let's actually create the collapsible items. All right, and actually all we need to do is just do an MDB collapse and add in the links over here. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, that's empty fragment. Okay, what's going on? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's refresh that. Okay, so now we have an issue right now in the toggle. So let's just check out the console for now. Developer tools, then console, right? Okay, link cannot appear descendant of A. Okay, and also each child in list should have a unique key prop. All right, that is what I did over here. Let me just double check what I did before. Collapse. Okay, yeah, I didn't just add this. And also we need to add in the MDB NavBar nav. That is the syntax, literally. That is going to be taking the items that is in the MDB NavBar. We're just going to take what we just mapped over here. Let's check that out right now. And here it is. Boom. Okay, so afterwards, just we are going to give it a class name. And that is going to be a link info margin y of 2, margin x of 2. Let's check out how it looks, and that is better. And that is pretty much it. You got yourself a simple dynamic navbar in MDB Bootstrap that uses useState hook. Okay, and we're also using the array over here, and we're assigning a const. Afterwards, we're just mapping over that const, that array, basically, using the .map method, which basically holds an array over here before the .map method. And inside there, we're taking the two parameters over here that is in the syntax of .map. Just check out the references that I have over here, the MDB, the array actually, prototype.map from Mozilla Firefox, like developer network tools, I think, or like what, I don't know. They're called developer MDN, MDN web docs. Yeah, here it is. So just check out these docs, and that is the simple method of the dot map. We're mapping over the link and the index, and that is going to be the key. We're going to take the href of link, and we're going to take the link string over here. We're just going to replace that hashtag with an empty string because we don't want that empty string to be shown for the end user. And that is pretty much it, you guys. All right, so let's command palette format the document, remove these, and just save it, and you're done. All right, so see you guys in the next video when we're going to be doing the dynamic footer as well. So this was Angry to you, and peace.